ici à Bakou, en Azerbaïdjan. Pour ceux qui se posent la question, qui se cache derrière ce groupe? Le groupe Initiative Bakou, à l'origine de cette conférence internationale sur la question de l'occupation illégale de l'île comorienne de Mayotte. Et pour en parler, nous sommes avec le directeur exécutif du groupe en question. Il s'agit de M. Abbas Ablassov, qui est d'ailleurs le modérateur principal de cette conférence en question. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Why the Baku Initiative Group is carrying out the fight of the Comoros?
Firstly, thank you for your question and thank you for your interest. As well known, the Baku Initiative Group established in 2023 in July by the decision which made by the representatives of colonized regions such as New Caledonia, Guadeloupe, Martinique, French Polynesia and other colonized regions. And one of our main missions is supporting fair struggle against colonialism and neo-colonialism. And we are trying to deliver to the international community the consequences, political, economic, health and other consequences of colonialism policy in colonized regions. And today's conference dedicated to Mayotte, which is an integral part of the Comoro Islands, and we will deliver to international community that the Mayotte is an integral part of Comoros and it's recognized by United Nations and other intergovernmental organizations. And United Nations had several resolutions and Comoro Islands recognized as independent country with Mayotte Island.
So, what are your impressions about the level of the event? Another question, why the choice of Azerbaijan, not Comoros in Africa, to hold this event?
The first factor is that the Baku, our capital, is an international platform for dialogues on decolonization matters. And the second factor is that we have already conducted more than 16 international conferences which dedicated to consequences colonialism and neo-colonialism and also decolonization matters. And majority of colonized regions appeals to conduct such events, such conferences in Baku because, as I mentioned before, it's the center, it's the hub on decolonization matters. Thank you.
Le directeur exécutif du groupe Initiative Bakou, à l'origine justement de cette conférence internationale sur l'occupation illégale de l'île comorienne de Mayotte, en exclusivité sur les antennes de For You Media Africa. Les débats se poursuivent entre autres. Pour l'heure, c'est une pause imposée à toutes les délégations présentes donc ici dans cette magnifique enceinte de l'hôtel Fairmont de Bakou. L'équipe de For You Media Africa est toujours déployé sur place pour vous faire vivre en temps réel le bon déroulement de cette première édition. Depuis Bakou, en Azerbaïdjan, Paul Yonga Baudelaire pour For You Media Africa.